We first met at the university as we were engineering students. As a group, we participated in several competitions and activities together. After a while, we thought about employing the experience we acquired during university years. Thus, we created a training center for simple scientific training and started working on creating a curriculum for learners of different ages starting from 8 and above. Talking about the obstacles and setbacks we faced, some courses did not succeed due to the unstable economical solution in the country. Furthermore, some projects were not completed due to the work pressure and lack of resources. On the other hand, we finished more than 20 projects and 50 courses within 1 year only, which was a huge achievement for us. We started these projects in order to transfer the knowledge we have to the community in order to raise awareness about the future of job market, which prepares the new generation for the future. Currently, at RoboGeex, we are working on developing educational curricula to facilitate the process of robotics learning and immersing it in the educational curricula of the schools.